Right, it's 5 degrees here, it's freezing. And decided to come flying today. I've got my Red Arrows Hobby Hawk. Had one flight for that, borrowed a battery of somebody. Don't know if the battery was fully charged, but it flamed out about 45 seconds into the flight. But the lightning, yeah, right, it wasn't very fast. It looked like it was struggling a bit, but it flew. So now I need to make another one a lot lighter. I'm really happy that flew.
Hey! Alf as well. So, sorry, Alf, for all the way, isn't it?
It's tail heavy. Yeah. Too tail heavy. But yes, it's Alfred. It's cool little model, isn't it? For a self build as well. You right?
Yeah. Look at the scream on it. I'd aim for it 2 minutes.
No, I'm going to just keep a bit of pressure on it, mate. Just keep pushing against it.
Oh,
Yeah, give me a week or so, mate, and I'll get it sorted.
yeah, no problem.
We'll get it flying again. I would probably say to Alex, if you can, get your money back for that ESC, just in case we need to buy any parts for it. And then
If that's the point,
oh yeah, but
I'll get it and then...
Oh my God, it's flying!
it's flying really nice as well.
Get any video, Josh?
Yeah.
I can't believe it, it's flying.
Might be above the decibel limit though, but it's alright.
Right, landed.
Mate, that was beautiful. That's quality, old son.
Oh, I can't believe it.
I see the green factor from here. I see the green factor as soon as you turn round.
I made this in 2017.